How to manage orders, billing, and receipts in a platform built with Kart. In the last video, the buyer placed an order. Now, he is able to check his order details. To do this, he clicks on his profile. Next, click on the dashboard option from your profile to access your account overview and view your order history. From the dashboard, click on Orders to view and manage all your purchase orders. Then, click on Orders to view all your purchase orders and transaction history. Next, select the View icon beside the order to see its complete details. Next, click on the Billing Address section to view delivery location details. Afterwards, click on Payment Method to view the payment information for this order. Following this, click the Payment History section to expand and view transaction details. After reviewing all the details, you have two more options available. Click on the menu icon to access additional order options and actions. Finally, click on the Order Receipt option to view and download your complete invoice details. Liked the demo? Visit our website to explore more features and benefits today.